On.
Hi, I'm Dina Caravella from AUSA Sanitation.
And I'm John Caravella from USA Demolition and Recycling. And this is our location here in East Hanover, New Jersey, 40 DeForest Avenue. Now I'm going to show you some of the equipment that we have with our facility. We also do roll-off service, which is the truck that's leaving now. We do front-load service. We also have demolition. We also do demolition. There's our excavators. We have our container carrier truck here who delivers containers to our customers. We do curbside residential and rubbish removal pickup, curbside pickup. We do recycling. We do closed compactor service. And this container was supposed to be done. And this container's not done yet? I don't understand. Sarah! Sarah! We're supposed to get steel here. What? Where's the steel, Sam?
What's that?
Where's the steel?
Oh, I told you father-in-law like a couple minutes ago. He said he's gonna stop for a coffee in the cafe.
What do you mean he's stopping for a coffee? He's gotta come back with the steel.
I don't know, I just called. You wanna call? Made a call on him and ask him.
Dad, what's that? Yeah, you're supposed to bring the steel back. What do you mean you're getting a coffee at the cafe? Yeah, but I need the steel. I gotta get this container out to a customer. Yeah, but you left this morning early. You're supposed to be back already with the steel. Sam's sitting here waiting for the steel. I gotta get this container done. Having the coffee down there. Alfangula. Well, hurry up, I need the steel back so we can continue doing the container. Well, hurry up. Thank you. Ciao. Sam, just make sure you get the container done, please. Okay, as soon as it comes back with the steel, please, it's got to be done today. It's got to go to a customer.
Okay, no problem.
This is our shop here. What we do, we have full-fledged mechanic trucks. We have roll-off service, recycling. Is this truck done?
No, yeah.
What do you mean not yet?
I'm still waiting for the
Another
part.
one.
They were supposed to bring me the parts. I'm still waiting for the parts.
And they're still not here.
Nope.
I don't understand. I really don't. Where's the parts? Are the parts here? Is this guy parts?
Yep, it is.
Let's get this truck going. I gotta get this truck done. We also do recycling service, cardboard service. This is our transport unit for demolition, recycling. This is our low bed trailer. And this is pretty much our facility.
AUSA. Can I have the location, please? Okay, could you hold on one moment, please? John, the cardboard wasn't picked up in Madison over there at that location.
What location?
On Madison Avenue in Madison.
What's the name? What's the name?
The Madison Hotel.
What do you mean they haven't been picked up? There's 50 other containers in the area, and that's the one container that didn't get picked up.
I don't know. I have them on the phone. Can we check this out? Let me know. Let me take the number.
Take their name and number down, and we'll get back to them.
Okay. Hi. Let me take down your name and number, and I'm gonna have to get back to you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Rich. We'll give you a call back. I know. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna definitely see what's going on. I'll have a truck out there as soon as I can. Okay. Bye bye. All right. I have his number.
Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Write a note. Write a note, and I'm gonna give it to Carrie, and then Carrie can take care of it, and then I'm gonna ask Artie to call up the driver and see what's going on. So write a note so I can give it to Carrie. But again, there's 50 containers around there, and this company's the only one that didn't get picked up.
Listen, I just took the message,
okay.
So relax.
Well, write me a note.
All right,
write me a note. Write me a note and I'll give it to Carrie.
Well, I need to know because I need to call him back.
Write me a note and I'll give it to Carrie.
I need to call this guy back, so here.
Thank you.
Are you?
And I'm going to go down to Artie and tell him to call Wayne. Karen, what are you doing here?
Man, my lunch, man. I have some chicken and mashed potatoes.
But shouldn't you be on the road?
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Anyway, there's a situation we have. Cardboard wasn't picked up in Madison.
Okay.
It's got to be picked up in Madison. Call a customer, see what the problem is. Because for some reason, he's saying it wasn't picked up. I'm going to go by Artie now, and I'm going to ask him to call Wayne to see if he can get the driver out there to pick up the cardboard. But before we do that, see if he was picked up or see what the case is or if they had extra cardboard or whatever they had. It's got to get done.
All right, I'm going to finish up. As soon as I finish. John, I have some watermelon too. You want some?
Guys eating watermelon and chicken on my time. Art,
Yeah,
could you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you call Wayne? Can you ask him to go out to Madison and pick up the cardboard container that wasn't picked up? But before you do that, have Carrie finalize it with you and let me know if you go out there to pick it up.
Well, I got another problem. I got Juan in Nutley right now. He can't find a container.
What do you mean he can't find the
He
container?
said he can't find it. It said he can't find the house.
If his paycheck was there, he'd find it, right?
No, I know, but that's what he's telling me. I'm going to call him first.
Well, please, get this done. These guys, I don't understand.